Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Telegram app. So guys, if you want to recover deleted messages on Telegram app, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then go to iCloud, and from here you have to simply scroll it below, and from here turn on the toggle for access iCloud data on the web, and after this you have to simply tap on see all from here, and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle for Telegram. So as you can see this, you have to simply turn on iCloud backup for your Telegram app, and you can also use a backup for your Android phone as well if you are using an Android phone. So guys, first of all you have to simply back up your account, whichever you are using, your Telegram or your WhatsApp, like this, and after this you have to simply go back, and now you have to go to Telegram app, and from here if you tap on any chat, you can save messages from here as well. If it is deleted, you will be able to recover it from the saved folder. So guys, you can see this now here. If I press and hold this message, and if I tap on forward button here, and if I save this message to saved messages, it will be saved in the saved messages. So as you can see this, I am going to save this message in saved message, and once it is saved here, you can easily recover it from the saved messages. So guys, now I am deleting this message or this chat. Here you can see this, and after this you have to simply go back once the message is deleted, and if you want to recover it, you have to simply open the Telegram app again, and now you have to simply tap on settings button, and now tap on saved messages, and from here you can see all that deleted messages. So guys, you have to simply save that message in the saved folder, and once you delete that chat, the messages will be saved on your Telegram app. So as you can see this, you can easily recover them from here. So guys, in this way you can also recover deleted messages on Telegram. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.